Okay. Ah. She had the looks, better personality. Different from the others, she would bring the best. I don't mean not only my lover, but my best friend. Who would've thought I could have seen it with my eyes this thin? Feeling I had for you all that night. Spent talking on the phone, one day like me then. No, tell me, do you remember? Was late in December. The feeling if you're willing to give your heart and surrender. Ain't nothing ever like the day of our first kiss. And we would kick it like a first come verses. Never separated, but what really hurt is we faced reality, had to hit the surface. They trying to hate us, but girl, we could prove him wrong. No matter how hard, we gonna make it through the storm. Instead of shouting, I'ma say it with a smoother tone. So if you disagree, you can move along.
Unti-unting nawawala, nalilito ang ulat mo'y parang uso. Unti-unting naglalaho, isip mo'y unti-unting nawawala, nalilito
Oh shit, the fuck.
parang
Continue,
uso.
continue.
Unti-unting naglalaho, isip
Nagsisilbing vitamina, pampalusog na protina, nagbibigay enerhiya. Ang pag-ibig mo, iha, hinahanap-hanap kita. Dahil gusto ko madama ang pag-ibig mo, pinupuna na sa akin. Nagpapasaya, nagpapalugayan, nagpapangiti, nakakabihaning palamuti. Hit-hit-puga ng mga katagat bumabagat, umaapoy. Tas sa usok lumalangoy, natulala na palagay, lumalakbay, sumasabay, natatangay kay Momay. Ngayon nandito na, pakinggan mo ang kristal ko. Hindi na kailangan pang magsulat, sapagkat kasama ko siya ngayon aking inuulat. Mga kakagana muling nagsiliparan at mga kakagana muling nagsiliparan.